How to add WhatsApp group link to your Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add your WhatsApp group link to your Instagram story. So let's dive in. So first open up your WhatsApp group, and here you have to just click your profile icon on the top left corner and then scroll through until you find this option that says invite to group via link, and click this option. Now it's going to pop up with this window, and on this window you simply have to click copy link. Once you copy the link, now go back. Once you copy the link, you have to go back and open your Instagram app, and now you have to click this plus sign over here to add your story. Now you have to simply click a story over here. You can just click a picture over here, or you can upload from your gallery. I'm going to click it, and now once done you have to click this stickers icon over here on the top right corner. And once you do so, it's going to open up with this page. On this page you have to find this link option and click it. Now you simply have to just paste the URL that you just copied. Just paste it over here, and then you have to click done. You can customize sticker text by clicking this plus sign over here, and you can add sticker text. This text will be shown on the sticker instead of the URL. So click done once you're done with all the editing, and here you have your WhatsApp group link. Now you can also type over here WhatsApp group link, and then just click done on the top right corner, and then you can just change its location and just paste it over here, and here you go. Now you can just post your story, and that's how you add WhatsApp group link to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching.